Hello guys, I received a new package. I ordered some spiders from a breeder in Holland. Let's see if everything is inside. Well, it's greatly packed. Let's see if everything is inside I ordered. Well, there we go. There's 5 times Buculateria ornata. He told me they were still communal, so I will separate them. Because Buculateria ornata and communals are not ideal. I tried it once and it didn't went too good. But I had some spare from my own breeding, so it's all okay. Okay, the next package will be 5 Pteronachilus murinus. Lugardi. Ah, there's a freebie in. That's Orphnaceus species blue panai. That's always cool. Pilugardi. Another Pilugardi. And 3 more Pilgardis. Awesome. I used to have some before. They are really pretty spiders. Let's see. Inside here. Yeah, they're all like this, so I have to prepare some pots for them. I'm filming with a tripod now, so it's a bit different than other times, but yeah, always cool to have a freebie. This guy is called Simon, he's from Holland, and yeah, he always got great deals as well, so can only recommend him. I will prepare some pots for the Buculateria ornata and then put them inside. Be right back. So let's put some substrate in these things. Files, I mean. This is only very temporary because Ornata tends to grow really fucking fast. I can't wait to have some adult species of adult pieces of Ornata again. They're so huge and lovely, and I love to breed with them once again. Did it in the past, was successful, and was fucking awesome. I was when I took the cocoon of my big ass female, I had something like this to distract her, and she just took the whole thing off me and dragged it into her enclosure, and it was pretty sweet to actually witness that. Didn't know they had that much power. Well, let's get the Ornatas out, shall we? Not sure if you can see me or not, but I'm not really experienced yet with this tripod thing. Ah, they're so cute. And fast, of course. Oh, there's one on my lap now. There we go. That's one. That's two. And three. Four, and the last one. Yeah, you can go cookie stands in there. So, well, that's all 5 the Piernadas. Let's check if there's not one extra inside. Oh, all clear. Awesome. I have to get all these tissues out now, I guess. Ah, there's a tiny. Normally I use tongs for this stuff, but really small spiders, I don't really care. I don't think they will bite me or something. And if they do, then yeah. So, there's one Piligardi. Let me see if you can actually see this. Yeah, I guess you do. Yeah. Another one. Well, there's actually a date of birth with the info, so that's a good thing. Most of the breeders in Holland do that actually. I should do the same if I get new sacks. It's really sweet. The last Piligardi. There we go. Orphanaceous species Bluepen. I used to have this ones as well in the past. Really pretty spiders. This one looks like it's about to molt. I don't know if you can see it. Get a big thick back like body. Awesome. Well, that's my new additions for today. They will be in my next feeding video, I guess. Yeah, I'm very happy with this species. He had some cool deals, and I couldn't resist myself. So here are the new ones. Now I will save up for the next fair in Holland is like in December, so I have to save some money for that and trade or buy some new spiders, I guess. Well, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.